Hi guys, we're here inside our bedroom. We got a present from Tia's daddy. He bought something for our daughter. Meron siyang McDo. Agay, nahulog ang light. Never mind. Wala pang makain pa yan. Okay, so what's inside the box? Let's unbox the presents. Okay. Oh, babo. Uy, bumalik ng ilaw. Thank you. Okay. Unboxing tayo sa laruan from McDo. Collections of trolls. Okay, hurry up. Buksan na yan. Bilisan. Buksan na nga. Punitin mo na. This is Sia. Say hi. This is my daughter and this is my pamangkin. Anak ng pamangkin ko. Si Yesha. Ismael, walang ngipin. And Ugab. May ngipin na siya. Bilisan na. Tulungan niya mag-open para madali tayo.
So, eto si Cloudy.
Let him open.
Look, we have to some like this. Because
May Macy.
Go,
Wow, nice.
Go, boy.
What's the name of this toy? No. You just let it show to his mom. Nice. Another toy. Hurry up, open it. Gab, faster.
Is it a girl? Let's see. Wow.
Faster.
She's a daddy one.
Mm.
He have a. Okay, so this is
The cloud.
What's this? Let me open. Give me the cloudy. That's cloudy. And this is big. No. So let's.
When you open
Dali, open one by
Where's
one.
the one?
Open it.
Who is this? So,
Tanggal mo yan.
I don't know.
Yan.
Sino to?
New character yan sa Trolls Part 2.
Ay, oo.
Bagong
Yung si ano.
character.
Si Biju.
This one pa, oh. Wow, nice.
Okay.
We will collect them. I think it's already complete.
Moments later.
Tanggal. Lagay mo lang dyan.
Oh. Juice.
Okay, wait. Oh, andito pa yung tatlo. Wait, gang. Hello, si Rockstar. Yan. Si Princess Poppy.
Daddy Toes.
Hindi. Si ano, Silver.
You got
Hindi yan si
baby in their
Daddy.
head. That's the Daddy Toes. Daddy Toes.
Oh, nandito dito. Oh, sa likod niya.
Ayan.
Ay, yung worm. Andyan yung mataba. Merong worm. May see that? Ay, yung ano, yung parang donkey. Yan, parang, ano yung pangalan nito?
Wow. Why are you growing?
Nice.
Later that same evening.
Ito guys, yung mga collection ng anak ko, si Sia. Collection niya yung mga toys ng Trollzy. So, siya nag-ayos niyan. Hindi mag-ayos yung bahay na yun. Uy, blurred pa. My favorite. Si Cloud. And don't forget Princess Poppy and Branch. Yeah. That's all.